Daddy production.
Video recorded by Corey Phillips, who is scared for the second time. Here we go.
I am.
Play the music.
No, don't play music. Play the music.
Where's your bucket of water? It doesn't matter.
We don't ever use water.
It's too late, baby. It's too late.
Kimber.
Oh my God. We're dead.
He never has water. We always stamp it out.
It's like a bonfire.
Uh-oh. Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Victory! Victory! Oh my God! Dude, I took off running, Vlad. I'm sorry, I got scared.
I didn't run
I did.
because I knew you had one of those things there.
Vlad, that was beast.
Get your water, Black. Get the hose.
Oh my gosh, it spells out Bosnia! Dude, did you see it? That was beast again.
So who won?
What?
Yeah.
It was like the world, dude. It was like one of my Lord of the Rings fireworks.
Oh, there's fire over
Woo,
there.
woo, woo, woo.
Look at the fire down there by that house. Oh my gosh,
Where?
Vlad, run. You better run.
Where?
You got it, Black.
Oh my God!
Vlad, did you get the camera?
Oh my gosh.
That was amazing.
Vlad, oh my gosh. Come here. Oh.
That was pretty tight. He did what I told him not to. That was pretty tight. Big bomb thing. That was pretty tight. Go in the air.
That was beautiful. It looked like one of the ones on YouTube.
Every light is on.
Vlad, you don't have to go to college. Just make
Just
fireworks.
sit right here. Just look at it for a while and see it make
Hello? Yeah.
I have to say that was pretty nice.
That was.
That old lady probably had a heart attack.
I know, dude.
It's already
Look out
done.
the
It's
window.
already done. I'm fine. I'm fine.
Jonathan, you got beat
Quince, I'm fine.
I'm sorry.
That's ridiculous, but I just feel like this is
Are you talking to your
good
mom?
job.
I'm sorry, like how he timed his hands in the air like this. what was that?
Dang, leftover.
That was loud.
Beast mode. Finish.
My ears kind of hurt. I sit there and
know,
like,
really.
Why did I run? I think I missed the big
After
the second one went off, that's when everybody
I took off running because I was in the middle and I got scared.
But I thought it
did
was
like
a
this
safe
and ran.
distance.
I should have ran like this.
It was good. And then the second one, we just ran.
Dude, Vlad, I'll give you some.